This religious terms because your religion might be different than the Christian religion, so we don't want to offend anybody's faith. So we're a bunch of, I don't know if you know what the word wimp means.
Is this one going to Burundi?
Yeah.
We're here, so can we hear it? Yes, we You guys change tape.
Is along 25 days. And 25 days ago, they arrived here with a lot of questions. My first question to them was, what are you doing here? Just to add a bit more of confusion to the whole thing. But fortunately, everything went well, and they have survived, and they have arrived this moment. And now it's time to keep them out of here. But before that, we are celebrating that they have been free. So we are going to initiate our program, and let me invite all of you, if you can just stand for a second and turn your chairs in this direction, just sit comfortably, because the rest of the day have elected Mr. Joshua Rafnan,
which was almond rice and dal bukhara. He's enjoying there, so don't worry, he will return safe. And those of you who are Democrats, fellow participants, ladies and gentlemen, 3 people were invited one day, one German, one Japanese and one Indian. And 3 of them were given an assignment. You have 1 hour, do something and prove that you are genius. The German could not wait too long and he said, I would take the first.
Really, he was instrumental that today we are in this place, because he just conducted, as I understand, almost all the negotiations and everything here, and he was pursuing this property for the Lord, and the Lord gave us 1/3 probably of the real value, and the Lord just produced the bankruptcy, not our brother now. As soon as they find out what is their position, and we are almost ready, the resident coordinator is going to call the names. So, Royal, your hands.
Sassoon 597, Clement Wingroup Joseph, Antigua and Bermuda. Gaston Oscar Bruno, Argentina. Franklin Carr Lightboard, Bahamas.